All right, guys, it's that time of year again. We have Hurricane Erin right off of our coast. They've got the spaghetti models showing that it may or may not hit here in South Florida. Make sure you prepare early, get all the supplies that you need, make sure you have all of the documents that you may need, whether it's your homeowners, your driver's license, and most importantly, make sure you have a plan for you and your family's safety. And if your property gets damaged during the hurricane, don't hesitate to give us a call, 833-MIKE 24/7.